The tripod banner display is both simple and easy. Once you have trimmed your banner to the specified size, you are ready to place grommets. Mark the position of the grommets on the four corners of the printed side of the banner. Using a grommet machine, place a number 2 grommet through the banner on the marked position. Repeat this process and place grommets on the other 3 corners. Once the 4 corners have grommets, the banner is ready to be used in the display. To set up the tripod banner display, start by removing the parts from the storage bag. Expand the tripod base legs until it stands on its own. Insert each arm into the hub of the tripod base with the banner hooks facing forward. To install your banner, start at the top of the display and attach the banner by placing the hooks through the grommet holes. Gently pull the banner down to place the lower hooks through the grommet holes. Once all corners are secure, the poles are designed to bend slightly to ensure the banner is taut. Now your tripod banner display is complete and ready to use.